Yo, what's up? This is Tony Ramirez of TFTI Barbecue, and today we're cooking something very, very special. So this is a recipe I did for a wing competition with Melinda's. It ended up winning that competition. It's a jalapeno ranch honey concoction, or whatever you want to call it. It's based off of the viral hot honey ranch that went on, TikTok or whatever everybody was doing. So it's kind of that, using Melinda's. We did a competition, like I mentioned, for Melinda's. That won that. Melinda sponsored us, my team, Team NorCal. Shout out to my boys. We're out there at the Texas Open Fire meetup. Again, Melinda sponsored it. Our protein was wings. We did it a rotisserie style. We did the same sauce. We kicked it up a little bit while we were out there. That was with my team, we kind of got together to make it, step it up a notch, for the competition. The outcome was we won third place amongst 15 other teams, other countries from around the world. We took home third with that. While I was there with one of the owners, David from Melinda's, we talked about, doing a collab, maybe selling a box set. And this is it here. We came up with the name Honey Money Wings with Blazing Star, because I used their seasoning at the event. That's my boy Mike. I've always used their rubs, my favorite rubs. And we came together with this killer box set. So a lot of people, we had judges like Tuffy Stone, Jess Prowls, Mark Lambert. All those guys are legends. And Growls, sorry, Jess. People were saying these are some of the best wings they ever had. The box set comes with two of Melinda's sauces, the hot honey and the jalapeno ranch. It also comes with the Blazing Star PorkN Rub and a recipe card telling you exactly how to make the wings. Comes with some Melinda stickers. Pretty sweet. Little introduction card. And then the back is the recipe. You can also scan it for video instructions, which would be my video. And we got Melinda's hot honey, Melinda's jalapeno ranch, and Blazing Star's PorkN, one of my favorites. I couldn't be more excited for this collab. It's one of my first collabs with a company, especially when it comes to a sauce or a seasoning or whatever. I'm really excited to show you guys how I made these wings, so let's get to it. All right, so first part on the recipe card for this recipe, we're gonna season the wings. I normally do an olive oil. You can use avocado oil, whatever you want, but pretty simple, avocado oil, and then the Blazing Star PorkN Rub. Get a nice light coating. And this step right here, or all these steps right here, are exactly on the recipe card, which is exactly what we did at the Texas Open Fire meetup. And then now we're gonna hit it with that Blazing Star PorkN. I like to go heavy on this. It's a low sodium. I'll just get them all mixed up. Get them all coated in that rub. Pretty simple, that looks good to me. If you look at them, it's nice and coated. That's how you want it. Again, it's a low sodium seasoning, and use lots of rub. Your meat can handle it. Now let's get them on the grill. So we're gonna cook these on this backyard offset from Char Griller. I have it running hot and fast. You can cook the wings however you want to. You can cook them on a Weber, whatever you like, pellet smoker. I like to do mine hot and fast and smoke it at the same time. So that's what we're gonna do here. I like to cook my wings to about 190 to 200 degrees. Some people will say, cook it to 170, 165 to when it's done, so it's juicy. I like my wings crispy, so I take it to 190, 200 degrees. So now let's make the sauce. So again, this is based off the idea that hot honey ranch. We're going to be using the Melinda's hot honey and then their jalapeno ranch and a few other ingredients to make it work. All right, so this recipe is for 2 pounds of wings. So we're going to do about a half a cup of the jalapeno ranch. Oh, just squirted on me. So about a half a cup of this jalapeno ranch there. And then we're going to go in about 2 tablespoons of the hot honey. You go more if you want, just to make it a little bit more spicier. But I'm going to do exactly what the recipe card states, so 2 tablespoons. We're going to do about 1 teaspoon of dried dill. That's about, oh shit, that's too much. That's about 1 teaspoon. Another 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And you could put more if you want. Garlic's good for you. About 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of everything bagel seasoning. About that. Pretty simple recipe. Now you mix it up. That's about the color you want. The classic what's it, the hot honey ranch color that you see online by using Melinda's. Our wings are ready. Temp them, they're about 190, 200. I brought them closer to the firebox to get a little bit more crispier. You can hear the sizzle for shizzle. Yeah, that's how I like my wings right there. Nice char and smoke. It's the best. So the wings are done. Sauce is done. We're gonna add some wings to the sauce, mix it up, toss them, sauce them, plate them up, and then I'm gonna show you how we did it at the event where we dust it with the PorkN Rub. Hit it with some cotija cheese and cilantro. We'll add some wings. My kids are on the way home, so I'm gonna save them some that ain't spicy because they're not big spicy fans. And then now sauce them. Look at that, saucy and glossy. All right, now let's plate it up. Get them on there nice and even. That way we can coat it evenly. What I like to do, I like to scrape the sauce from the bowl and just drizzle that over more. Now we're gonna hit them with a little bit more of that Blazing Star Porkin. Again, this is a low sodium, it's not salt heavy, so a nice dusting just gives it extra flavor. Cotija cheese that I already pre-crumbled, and some fresh cut cilantro that I already cut previously also. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the Money Honey award-winning wings. Now all there's left to do is eat them. I'm a flat guy. I'm sure you guys all know that by now, but this drum right here was calling my name. You cannot fake that reaction right there. That is such a delicious wing. One of the best. We had some of the best judging it and said the same thing, but this is amazing. Let's go back to the flats. We're gonna do the meat umbrella. That's when you know your wings are cooked perfectly. Now that's a perfectly cooked wing. When the meat just slides off the bone like that. Now that's money. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to try this recipe, you can hit the link in my bio. You could go to melindas.com. It'll also be available on amazon.com. But get this package deal. It's out now. It's a limited supply. Buy one, save it. Buy a second one, use it. If you guys do buy it and try it out, make sure you tag me, tag Melinda's, also tag Blazing Star in the video, and we'd be happy to share it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Tony Ramirez of TFTI Barbecue. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, get the hell out of my backyard.